Hello, how you doing, guys? Good day to you. I'm back to my channels, Nitty Art and Tech. So today in this video, I'll be showing you how to upload your artwork to AirNft site, so you can make some gain and earn free NFT token, free NFT token. So when you buy or sell on that on their site, they're going to give you free token. So that may be worth something later or so. So make sure you have your trust wallet ready. Fund your trust wallet with some Binance Smart Chain. You don't need much money to do that, just little for you to upload your NFT artwork. So here we go. You wait, you look for the DApp, you come to your DApp browser or your trust wallet for Android user only. So you come down here, you see it, AirNft, you click on it. After that, let's load. So this is it. You see a lot of artwork here. See a lot of artwork, here. See their price. You can see this. So you come down to, you click on, you see something here. So you click on this circle and check here. Click on my NFT. So after that, you scroll down, click on the edit profile. This is how you're going to do it. So choose your profile picture, your name, the name you're going to be using. So you can just put anything here, any lovely stuff, you can just put it there. Your Twitter handle or your Instagram or your Facebook page, you can just put it there. So after that, click on submit. So when you're done, you want to upload new artwork. So this is how you're going to do it. You click on create. Choose your file. Come down here. Come down. No. This one is, yeah. Okay. Yes. So I'm going to do it. Yeah. Okay. Born James NFT. So you choose the name. You can use any name. Okay. So I'm going to put all these details there. So to make it lovely and stuff like that. So I'm going to put my price here. So my price will be 0.1. So 0.1 is 32 USD. The 2 USD for now. So you approve. So that's how we're going to do it. Okay. So you click on confirm. Hold on. Let it wait. Okay. Storage fee paid successfully. So I have to come down here again. Oh, sorry. Not enough smart team. Sorry. So okay, let's try it again now. So let's try it again. I just found my wallet. Yeah. Okay. So we click on successful. So we're going to see it now. Yes. You can see it was mined successfully. So this is it. That's all. So all you need to do now is to copy your link. If you want to share it on Twitter, to promote your NFT for more people to be able to buy from you or stuff like that. You can just copy, you click on share. As you can see that now, you click on share. Share. Yes, you click on share. You see the link has been copied already. So you just go to your YouTube, WhatsApp, and stuff like that, and share the link to them. Okay, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any issue, drop your comments below. Thank you guys.